Imagine this. Somebody watches your latest upload and then they think of a friend that they think might be interested in that video too. And instead of copying the YouTube link and sending it to them through WhatsApp or Instagram or email or something else, they're able to send a DM to their friend directly inside the YouTube app with no friction, no leaving the platform. And who knows, that could be your next best viewer or even your next best customer. You know what? YouTube is slowly rolling this out. And this new DM feature could completely change how creators build their community and build their audience. It's going to help them boost their retention, get more views, and honestly grow their business in 2026. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and break it all down. Hey, it's Augie here, and you're in the right place if you're a content creator or business owner looking to create content, because that's what this channel is all about. So let me go ahead and explain a little bit what this feature is and why it matters for your channel and your business. And then there's 3 moves that you should make right now to get ahead of everyone else as soon as this rolls out. So here's the details. It was November 19th, 2025, and YouTube confirmed that they're testing an in-app direct messaging system in Ireland and Poland. So users who are over 18 and they have a channel can send an invite link to a contact. And once that person accepts, they can message each other and send DMs back and forth and share any kind of YouTube videos, long form, shorts, and even live streams. This is all without leaving the app, like I said earlier. I guess YouTube has kind of tested a DM feature in the past and they shut it down pretty quickly, but this time they're trying it again. So this is real, and they haven't announced like a global rollout or anything yet. So we're just kind of waiting for that. But now you might be thinking, cool, but why does a tiny feature like this in 2 countries that don't even matter to me even matter? Well, because when YouTube tests something like this, it usually means that they're trying to test it to see if maybe this is going to be a new feature that they roll out to everyone. And the reason that this matters at all is because of, what we always talk about, engagement and retention, and being able to share inside the platform kind of gives you the feel that YouTube is trying to become, a little bit more of a social media platform. And just like always, they have the same goal, and that's to keep people on the platform. As soon as you got to copy that link and go into whatever kind of DM app you use, you're leaving the platform. So YouTube's always constantly trying to find new innovative ways to keep viewers on the platform, and it looks like this might be the next step. And as far as the algorithm goes, who knows? This might be like a new signal in the algorithm that if people are sharing your videos through DMs and stuff, then it's going to help give your videos, a little bit more boost with the algorithm juice or whatever. So, that's an interesting thing to think about, that, maybe some new calls to action in your videos would be to, DM it to somebody else on the platform if this thing actually does roll out worldwide. And as a business owner, being able to DM people is a huge marketing strategy that we see on Instagram all the time, right? In the videos, they'll say, hey, leave a comment on this video, comment the word, money, and I'll go ahead and send something right over. And so people send money, and then they automatically send a DM to that person. It builds a lead for their business. That person gets some extra value. And now you can start DMing back and forth and eventually maybe pitch a product, or build a relationship, or, in YouTube's case, just send them more content, right? Send them more content that they need, help them solve their problems even more. And then in the end, who knows, they might become a customer. And I just think personally that anytime YouTube comes out with a new feature that allows you to interact more with your viewers, that's a good thing for your YouTube channel, because so many YouTube channels are just like posted up there. People are leaving comments, but the creator's not responding to any comments. They're not interacting with their community. And that's a bad thing, right? You don't want to just kind of be the face. You want to actually get involved with your community, DM back and forth, reply to comments, build that parasocial relationship. That's going to help create these super fans a lot more, because, I don't know what it was or what book it was or whatever, but 1,000 true fans. In this online world, if you can get 1,000 true fans, then you got yourself a great business. I mean, imagine 1,000 people spending, $50 a month with you. That's $50,000 a month. And that's good money. That's a full-time income, more than a full-time income. And it'll just allow you to help your viewers even more by giving them more content, premium content, helping them solve their problems. And that's really what this YouTube game is all about. So think about it. Like, would you pay $50 a month to be able to DM your favorite YouTuber who teaches you how to, I don't know, build fences, right? And be able to DM them if you have a fence building company or something and get advice from them directly. There's some value in that. So I'm a big fan of the DM feature. I hope it does roll out. I've always thought that was something that Instagram kind of had over YouTube, and now they're ready to battle. And also just sharing videos. I would love to be able to open up my YouTube studio and open up my analytics and see what kind of in-app shares, how many times my video has been DM'd to other people. That would be helpful to let me know like, oh, my viewers really do like this kind of content. Now, of course, there are some risks with this feature. There could be some spamming that goes on. And like I said, this is just a test. YouTube could change it, scrap it entirely. So I don't know, maybe there's some privacy things here too. But if this does roll out, then you got to be ahead of the game. Competition for attention inside YouTube is only getting stronger, which is why being early to these kind of features really does matter. And a lot of times when they roll these features out, they give a lot of value and weight to these features. They want you to use them. So here's just a quick recap. YouTube started testing this built-in DM on November 19th, 2025. And it's just a small test right now, but it's a big shift for creators if this thing actually rolls out worldwide. And all you really need to do as a creator is start thinking about, what kind of video can I create that my viewers might send to a friend, that might DM it over to a friend, and then just start kind of thinking along that line. And that should kind of prepare you for when the feature rolls out. And then you can start seeing, hey, this is the kind of videos I need to create. All right, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys want to check out another video about content creation or online business, go ahead and click on the video that's on the screen right now. And if this is new, if you're new to this channel, hit subscribe, please. I'd appreciate a new subscription. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.